Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. And please, if you find this video helpful, before you leave or before you watch it, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, the red subscribe button below the screen. So today I want to show you how you can disable the mouse wheel scroll. Let's assume you want to let's say go to slideshow, and from the beginning, when you see I'm using my mouse wheel to do this. It doesn't look good if you have a prototype like this. It doesn't look good that when you scroll the mouse wheel, it takes you to the next layout. It's not good. The interactivity is supposed to be between the buttons. Like if you click to log in, it will take you here. You don't have to like use the mouse wheel to scroll, so it doesn't look good. So how do we disable that? So let's go to if you go to slide, let's say you go to slideshow, then from slideshow go to set up slideshow, click on that, then select browsed at a kiosk. This part, select it and click OK. But remember to save your work. You have to save before this will take effect. So let's save and let's try that once again. So we are on slideshow from the beginning. Now I'm applying my mouse wheel. It's not functioning, so I have already disabled that. Now I can click on login, then school quiz, and it works without the mouse wheel. So let's see. There is one thing again I want to show you here that you will encounter in this process. Okay, let me disable. Okay, that is it for this. I just want to make this video specifically for this particular functionality, and that is it. In the next video, I will show you how to disable the mouse click transition. So, but for this video, I just want to make it short. I don't want to make it more than 4 minutes. So that is it. If you want to disable your mouse wheel scroll, simply go to slideshow, go to set up slideshow, then click on browsed at a kiosk and click OK. And after that, you must save your work for that to take effect. So that is it for this video. And please, there is a channel of mine. It's a comedy channel I want to introduce to you. I just have 2 videos here already. If you want to laugh, just go subscribe to this channel and make yourself comfortable. You will laugh and laugh. So that is it. And thank you for watching, and God bless.